Guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression. We have here 6 minus 4 times parentheses 6 minus 4 parentheses. Maybe you solve this math expression like this. 6 minus 4 gives us 2, and 6 minus 4 gives us 2, and now 2 times 2 gives us 4. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS that is here, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. And according to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. So 6 minus 4 gives us 2. Now we have 6 minus 4, and we have one multiplication here and 2. So as we know, multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction, so we have to solve it first. 4 times 2 gives us 8, and now 6 minus 8 gives us negative 2. The final answer is negative 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.